question regarding the part of the Ketores that we read daily. So there's this part where we're supposed to count the ingredients with our fingers. And I remember some time ago, Kodarav mentioned that each finger has like a different function.
Yes.
So is it like related to it? Are those two things related?
Yes, it is related to it. First of all, and I just want to explain a little what Kodo is asking. It's very interesting. So, about a few things, it says that it's a big Segula, and about the Ketores is frankincense that we had to burn, not we, like Kohen Gadol most likely burn in a Beis Hamikdash. It's all of these beautifully smelling things, and 10 of them, 10 ingredients, and one is a full smelling thing, right? Why? Because it says that the nation of Israel is not complete without Rishaim, so without wicked people. Of course, we don't like them, and they behave disgusting, but that's 11 ingredient. So without this ingredient, then the Ketores is not good. And our sages say that usually Shulchan Aruch is not about Segula and stuff like that, right? It's halacha, like to the point. But it says that it's a big Segula, it's a good omen, right? If for a person to read this Ketores, this paragraph when Torah says what is ingredients ingredients and amounts that we use in Ketores, and it's a good Segula that your day is going to go good. So I mean, not because of this, but because it is on our Siddur, so that's what we read. But our sages said that it's have a very, very significant spiritual effect, because this we have to understand this frankincense. It's spiritual, right? You see the smoke coming out, right? And that's it. There is nothing like physical going on. Okay, that's yeah. And these 10 fingers correspond. It's of course it's kabbalistically, but they correspond to these 10 ingredients. But it's not 10; it's 11, as we said. But 11, it's not. It's a full smelling ingredient, but we still need it. Very good question.